Welcome back to the CryptoBot channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now the Bitcoin dominance is pulling back after getting a rejection from the golden pocket. This is a good sign for the altcoin market, and so I'll be talking more about that in just a moment. First of all, taking a look at the daily Ethereum chart, and obviously Ethereum is still in this downtrend as the parabolic stopper inverse indicator is suggesting, but we have a massive amount of support at around 2,600 as this VPVR indicator is suggesting. And if you're looking at the daily Ethereum price oscillators, right now they're looking somewhat similar to what we saw back in the end of February and early March, because you can see back then that the price of Ethereum was clearly in a shorter term downtrend. But as the price of Ethereum ran into this massive horizontal line of support, we saw the daily Ethereum RSI start flattening out, and looking in the daily Ethereum MACD, we saw higher lows in the histogram within the MACD indicator, revealing weak bearish momentum towards this massive line of support. And as the price of Ethereum is currently trending towards 2.6k, we're seeing the daily Ethereum RSI start flattening out, and if you're looking at the daily Ethereum MACD, specifically the histogram is slowly increasing towards that zero line. And obviously once it crosses into positive territory, that is when we see a bullish cross in the MACD. Now it is important to mention that we have not seen these bullish reversal signals just yet, but technically speaking, specifically in the histogram, we're slowly trending towards a bullish reversal signal, but once again, we haven't seen it just yet, which is why my main focus in terms of the price is still towards that 2.6k support level. Because when you're looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool from the January low up to the local high, 2,600 is also the golden pocket, the most important Fibonacci level, which adds extra significance to that 2.6k support level. And giving you a quick update on the 4-hour Ethereum chart, technically speaking, Ethereum is still forming this falling wedge pattern, and at the time of recording this video, within the last few hours we've seen another rejection from this line of resistance, which is coming into play at around 2,850, and this line of support is coming into play at around 2,680 approximately. And basically, in order to confirm the technical price target for this pattern, we need to see a confirmed breakout above that line of resistance that I just mentioned, and if that happens, then the technical price target is at the top of the wedge, coming in at around 3,150. And for anyone that is new to this channel, or in case you missed my recent Ethereum update videos, another reason why that 2.6k support level is very important is because that is exactly where this massive ascending line of support is coming into play, once again at around 2,600 approximately. And technically speaking, while the price of Ethereum is holding above this ascending line of support, Ethereum is simply looking more bullish than bearish on the much larger scale, on the larger timeframes, because obviously Ethereum is forming higher lows and higher highs on the larger timeframes unless we see a confirmed break below 2.6k, because in that scenario, that would be our first confirmed bearish signal telling us that we are finally breaking down out of this multi-year long uptrend. But at the time of recording this video, that has currently not happened. And now giving you a quick update on the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. And if you watched my last Ethereum update video that I posted yesterday on the channel, I was talking about the breakout in the daily RSI, and with yesterday's daily candle close, we just confirmed that breakout in the RSI above this descending line of resistance. And technically speaking, this is more bullish than bearish for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, so this is a good sign to see for Ethereum holders. But with that being said, this alone doesn't necessarily trigger a full bullish reversal just yet, because we still need to wait for a little bit more confirmation, such as some higher lows and higher highs start forming in the RSI, or a bullish cross in the daily MACD, because the last time we saw those sort of signals was back during the middle of March, and obviously you can see what happened next over the next few weeks. So yes, this breakout in the daily RSI is a step in the right direction, but we still need to wait for a little bit more confirmation ideally. But taking a quick look at the Bitcoin dominance chart on the daily time frame, and you can see right here that we are continuing in this rejection from the golden pocket. And if you've been on this channel for a while now, you would already know that the golden pocket is the Fibonacci level where the price most commonly turns around at. And so technically speaking, while the Bitcoin dominance is playing out this retracement, this rejection from the golden pocket, this is actually bullish for the overall altcoin market, at least when you value altcoins against Bitcoin. But keep in mind, this is only a minor pullback so far, so we're not seeing a full altcoin season right now or anything like that. We're simply seeing the altcoins hold up a little bit better than what they were doing just a few days ago, for example, when the Bitcoin dominance was in this uptrend. And technically speaking, the Bitcoin dominance hasn't confirmed a full reversal just yet. Right now, we're only just in a rejection, but this will be something to keep an eye on, because if we see some more bearish confirmation in the price oscillators, for example, and break through some of these levels of support, then we could see some bigger gains in altcoins. But for now, that is not really the case. At the moment, we're simply seeing the average altcoin keep up with what Bitcoin is doing in terms of price gains and price losses rather than having a lot more losses than Bitcoin like what we were seeing just last week. But speaking of bullish and bearish price action, did you know that you can continue to make money in crypto even when prices are going up, down, or sideways? And if you want to know how to do that, definitely check out one of these two uploads popping up right here on your screen, because both of these videos show you how I make more money in crypto even when prices are going down. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.